So good morning students. Today we'll be doing the question answers of a house is not a home. This is chapter number 8 of your moments book of class 9th. So starting with the first question. In the first question they have asked, the question is, what does the author notice one Sunday afternoon? वॉट इज़ हिज मदर्स रिएक्शन, वॉट डज शी डू? वो क्या नोटिस करता है एक संडे को और उसकी मदर का क्या रिएक्शन होता है और वो क्या करती है? द आंसर इज़ द ऑथर वाइल डूइंग हिज होमवर्क नोटिस्ड द स्मोक पोरिंग इन थ्रू the seams of ceiling. The room was filled with smoke very quickly. The author and his mother ran outside to save their life. His mother ran out of the house with a small metal box full of important documents. She became so crazy that she rushed back to the house just after dropping the box. The second question is, why does he break down in tears after the fire? The answer is, the author's house was completely burnt down. 5 hours later, when the fire was finally put out, he realized at once that his cat was nowhere. He had to face the loss of old school, his house and cat. In such a state, he cried and broke down in tears. Question number 3 is, why is the author deeply embarrassed the next day in school? Which words show his fear and insecurity? The answer is, the author was full of remorse as he was left with nothing. He didn't even have proper dress and study material. He had no backpack. He had the feeling of insecurity. All things appeared strange to him. He was shocked deeply and seemed frustrated. The words uttered by him was, I destined to be an outcast and a geek all my life. I didn't want to grow up, change or have to handle life if it was going to be this way. I just wanted to curl up and die. Reveal his fear and insecurity. The fourth question is, the cat and the author are very fond of each other. How has this been shown in the story? Where was the cat after the fire? Who brings it back and how? The answer is, the author loved his cat very much. He never considered her far from him. She kept sitting beside him when he did his homework and other household work. When the author found his cat back, his happiness was beyond the limits. He grabbed her quickly and felt relieved. This proved that they were very fond of each other. The cat ran over a mile away when the house was on fire. The stranger lady brought it back as there was a phone number written on the collar of the cat. Coming to the next question, question number 5 is, what actions of the schoolmates changed the author's understanding of life and people and comfort him emotionally? How does his loneliness vanish and how does he start participating in life? The answer is, his schoolmates brought up school supplies, notebooks, all kinds of different clothes for the author in order to help him. It was a matter of surprise and too difficult to believe for him. He got emotional satisfaction. People who had never spoken introduced themselves one by one. All things seemed new and created his interest in life. Now he had the things whatever he used to have. He started enjoying his life as usual. Question number 6 is, what is the meaning of my cat was back and so was I? Had the author gone anywhere? Why does he say that he is also back? The answer is, here the author wants to point out that life without affection is useless. He was depressed after a great loss in all fields. His old school and teachers were always in his mind. The fire had reduced his house to ashes. His cat was also not with him. In such circumstances, he considered himself dead and had no interest in life. In the end, as soon as the conditions took the turn, he felt relieved. Now he had all the things with him. The author had not gone anywhere. It was his state of mind. He recovered from this gloomy state and started enjoying his life when he got his cat back. So, with this, we have done the question answers of the chapter A House is Not a Home. Please do them in your notebooks. If you have any problems, ask me. Have a good day, all of you.